This is my first time being here at Terminal 4. It's 4 in the morning. And our flight is at 6. I'm already at Terminal 4. And I'm hungry. Today is breakfast. Yes. Fried rice and tapa. We are now going to Coron. Puno na ba? Thank you. Ang dadamay pa yun. Shuttle bus. It's full.
No, I told you if you don't want to, just get your bag.
Here it is, our plane sold up. Hi. Hi, this is our plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin.
To Coron in the island of Busuanga, Palawan. Muli itong lalapag lang po natin sa paliparan ng Francisco B. Reyes, Maligayang Pagdating.
Airport right now. Okay, let's get our bag. Nandiyan ang pangalan ko. Hi. Welcome to Coron. We are going to our hotel. Then after that, we don't really have any plans today. Tomorrow we start our tour. This is our welcome drink. It's made of, it's very sweet. Like, dito?
Yes, ma'am. 10 minutes by walk.
10 minutes?
Yes.
I walk?
Yes.
Oh.
Or we can call a tricycle, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Only
sige.
3 minutes by tricycle.
Oh, okay. Magkano din? Pang 10 pesos?
20 pesos per person.
Person. Okay. Going to town to eat. For food, breakfast. Naghahanap po kami ng makainan. Going up here. Yeah, that's what he told me. Coron. So we're just roaming around Coron and looking for food.
Expensive or inexpensive?
Kahit ano basta.
Yan pa, may restaurant po yun mga
Saan banda?
Ito po itong way na yan. Pataas po.
Pataas?
Yan po, may restaurant po sa
Pataas? Pataas pa?
Up and down yan ma'am.
Ah, okay. So today, we have no plans. Day 1, we're just relaxing. Our tour starts tomorrow. Our check-in is at 2 p.m. and it's only 9:20 in the morning. So we're just gonna walk around here. It's not far from our hotel. Hazel is tired. He's not in a good mood. And I ordered Tusilog and he ordered Tapsilog. We are going to Mount Tapyas after our meal, breakfast or lunch. Kapoy! This is Coron. Look at that. It's beautiful. Kikapoy naman ko. Nga naman ko yung mga tigulang na ba? I should have count how many steps. Manig torture. Ay! Bakit pumunta ako dito? Gusto kong puntahan dito kasi may cross dito. At saka mag-drone kami ng aking asawa pa. Okay. I'll see you up there because I'm too tired already. Guys! Mount Tapyas! This is so hard. See how many more steps I have to do this. I expect this to be so hard. But it's good. It's good exercise. Keep going. I hope you can see my background because it is really beautiful here. My husband already left me and he's already up there. Is it worth it to come here? Absolutely! Ready for the drone shots? Here you go! Back to our hotel. Maybe we could check in early. Feels so good. go in there. What's inside, I'm gonna show you. Our hotel. There's a lot of stairs. So we're gonna go up. Our room is on 3rd floor.
Stairway to heaven.
Yeah, so my husband said stairway to heaven. So if you wanna stay at this place, be ready for the steps. There's our room. I'm going to do a room tour. You can hang your clothes there. There's a table and a tiny refrigerator. Oh, my beer. Water. It's not open up. Oh. Wow, it's nice. It's beautiful.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na.